Get ready for revolution in your gardening routine with 13 essential gadgets that saves time, enhance plant health, and simplify every garden task. Let's jump right in. AI Plant Communication App. The AI Plant Care app has sensors for soil and plants that spot moisture levels and signs of stress. It sends updates to your phone in real time, helping you water and feed plants just right. This cuts out the guesswork and lowers the chance of plants dying. You can buy it for $150 to $300. This new tech bridges the gap between old school gardening and smart care. It gives gardeners facts and figures to keep plants healthy and make upkeep easier. Robotic Lawn Mower. The robotic lawn mower with advanced GPS relies on smart navigation and sensors to cut grass while dodging obstacles. This saves gardeners time and energy in routine upkeep. The device costs between $800 and $2,000. It uses less power and ensures steady lawn care. This makes it a great choice for busy homeowners who want easy, top-notch results. Smart Soil Moisture Sensor. The Smart Soil Moisture Sensor keeps track of soil moisture and pH levels all the time. It sends exact data to a phone app that helps gardeners plan when to water best. This stops too much or too little watering. The device costs between $50 and $100. It's easy to use and helps save water by sending alerts right away. This makes plant care smarter and more effective. Next up is a gadget that can save your back and your weekend. Telescopic Pruning Shears. Telescopic pruning shears have handles you can adjust and extend. This lets you cut branches that are hard to reach without needing ladders. It reduces strain and makes the job safer. These sturdy shears cost between $30 and $70. They mix sharp, rust-resistant steel blades with comfortable grips. This means you can trim, and for many seasons. Stand-up Weed Puller. The stand-up weed puller has a long handle with tough grabber claws that pull out weeds from the route without you having to bend, which keeps your back safe from stress and pain. This light, user-friendly tool costs between $25 and $50 and makes weeding quick and comfortable. It's perfect for gardeners who want an easy way to keep their garden free of weeds. Cordless Lithium-Ion Hedge Trimmer. The lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer gives you the freedom to trim without cords, thanks to its rechargeable battery. It runs for up to 80 minutes and has strong, sharp blades to cut hedges of all shapes and sizes. Costing between $100 and $300, this trimmer is easy to move around, fits in your hands, and has safety features built in. It's a handy, user-friendly tool that makes hedge trimming a breeze without having to deal with pesky cords. Let's take a break, and which garden gadget did you like the most? Comment down below. Self-watering planters. Self-watering planters have water reservoirs built into them. These let plants soak up water through capillary action. This keeps plants watered without needing to water them often. These planters cost between $40 and $80. They use water well and don't need much care. They're great for busy people or those who often forget to water plants. They help roots grow healthier and lower the chance of giving plants too much water or making their roots rot. Compost Tumbler. A compost tumbler is a bin that spins. It mixes up organic waste well, making it break down faster. It does this by blending and adding air to the stuff inside when you turn it. This means less work for you and less smell. It costs from $80 to $150. It helps make compost quicker without pests in a small area. This makes it easier and cleaner to recycle organic matter for all kinds of gardeners. Indoor Smart Garden. The Indoor Smart Garden Kit has LED grow lights and an automated watering system with nutrient pods to allow year-round hydroponic growing of fresh herbs and vegetables without soil. This makes it ideal for small spaces and new gardeners. With a price range of $100 to $300, this weather-resistant system ensures healthy, quick-growing plants with little effort, bringing fresh organic produce right to your kitchen counter. The upcoming garden gadgets help to automate your garden. Garden Weeding Robot. The garden weeding robot, like the solar-powered Turtle, relies on sensors to spot and cut weeds without human help. This eco-friendly gadget has a big impact on reducing manual work. It costs between $250 and $350 and keeps weeding non-stop, making it easy and green for gardeners to keep their spaces weed-free. Smart Sprinkler Controller. The Smart Sprinkler Controller taps into live weather info and soil moisture data to tweak watering times on its own. This leads to better watering and healthier plants while saving water. Price from $100 to $200. It lets you control it from afar and adapts to weather changes. This makes watering your garden easy, green, and spot on. Garden tool set. The garden tool set has 11 tough pieces like trowels, forks, and weed removers. Makers craft these from top quality aluminum alloy to care for gardens in many ways. You can buy this set for $50 to $100. These tools offer good value, blending strength with comfort-focused design. Both new and skilled gardeners find this all-in-one kit crucial. Folding garden stool. The folding portable garden stool is a light seat you can fold. It's easy to carry and store, giving you a place to sit and rest when you garden for a long time. It costs between $25 and $50. This tool helps you feel less tired by giving you a handy place to sit that doesn't take up much space. It supports gardeners and helps them get more done in the garden. Thanks for checking out these awesome new gardening gadgets with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more latest gadgets.